This is the new Mercedes-AMG EQE 43. The EQE 43 4Matic features a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that develops 469 horsepower and 858 Newton-meters of torque. It enables the model to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds, before hitting an electronically limited top speed of 130 miles per hour. The new Mercedes-AMG EQE model is equipped with a powerful 328-volt high-performance drive battery, manufactured using the latest lithium-ion technology. It has a usable energy content of 91 kilowatts, and consists of 10 modules with a total of 360 pouch cells. The energy storage system can charge with up to 170 kilowatts at fast charging stations with direct current. In this case, electricity for 112 miles can be recharged in just 15 minutes. When it comes to suspension, AMG makes several changes to the EQE's 4-link front and multi-link rear setup, creating the AMG Ride Control Plus system. Wheel carriers, suspension links, and sway bars are optimized for more rigidity. At the back, the rear axle carrier is connected to the body with stiffer bearing and lower clearances, which creates a more direct feel according to Mercedes-AMG. Adaptive adjustable dampers with 2 pressure limiting valves are more precise versus the standard EQE. Standard rear axle steering also helps with handling and stability, and various drive modes can limit power to make the EQE easier to manage in dicey situations. For example, in slippery mode, you'll only get 308 horsepower total from both motors. Bigger brakes, with 6 piston calipers and 16-inch discs up front, help with stability. All that performance does have an effect on range. Mercedes says the AMG EQE has a provisional WLTP range of 276 to 322 miles, considerably less than the 410-mile figure quoted for the standard model.